Started with nothing, look at me now, I made a way for me. Remember them times when it was hard for me to save a G. The cars went all the way for him, but we would get from A to B. Interior in the Beamer tan, Benz got some white seats. Hold on, baby, what's your name? It's the face for me. She from Memphis, from behind, looking like a Georgia peach. She just want me cause I'm ballin'. It's that little Greg, nigga. You know what I mean? I know she don't love me. South Memphis, what pop money?
What's up, guys? Dominique, LaShae. We back with another video. Finally made it to Orlando. Fly finna be lit. Gemini season starts today. Shout out to all my Geminis, but shout out to me, the biggest one of all, June Gemini. That June 3rd. Get it correct. Yeah, don't play with it. And oh, wait. Let me show y'all what I get. Hold on. Wait a minute. Stop playing. Y'all see what it say. Y'all see what it say. We can't start off the trip without this. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna get up with y'all when we doing something. Bye. Just me, girl, I never. With the crush, well, I never. What do you say, y'all? Hey, let it go when you. Girl, it's not you, it's me. I just can't do it. Sometimes it makes me wanna cry. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can you hear me crying? Oh, oh, oh. Never right time to say goodbye, but you gotta say goodbye to these niggas, you hear me? Girl, it's not you, it's me. It ain't never me though. It ain't never me.
Stepping on nigga, yeah, step on nigga, yeah, stepping on, yeah, stepping on niggas, yeah, stepping on niggas.
What's going on? We're from Minnesota.
Oh, I'm from Memphis. My family from Minnesota.
Really?
St. Paul, and I got some family in Milwaukee.
Oh, Milwaukee?
Uh-huh.
St. Paul, that's far from us.
Yeah.
We live in a little town.
Yeah, we made it to Grove Resort. This place is nice. My mama recommended us to stay here. What y'all doing while y'all down here?
We're getting pizza. Hopefully, I think that's the pizza right now.
Okay, y'all, we have made it inside. I'm finna give y'all a tour before everybody make it dirty. So, this is the door right here. And then when you come around, you have the kitchen area right here. Full kitchen, full sink, full everything. Refrigerator, washer dryer. Hello, and then if you come this way, you have the first bathroom right here, full bathroom. Let's see what they give you, because I know y'all be wanting to see. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo, the good stuff. Yeah. Hey to me. So if you come this way, you have the bedroom. Oh, this bedroom has a bathroom in the room. Full bathroom. So this is the second bathroom. What's this? Hand wash. Me again. Shout out to this side on her. Yeah. And a walk-in closet. Like, I fit in the closet. Also a TV, you guys. And then the lamp and all that right here. And then the shade outside. Right there. Come back out. You have the next bedroom right here. TV. So this bedroom goes to that bathroom across the hall. Okay, and then you have the window. Nice out there. Very nice. Closet as well. Let's see what it's giving. Okay, it's giving. It's in. I'm giving y'all a room tour before we get dirty. House tour. Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. Excuse me. And then, if you come this way, you have a nice sitting area, table, yes, couch, deck, yeah. Is this the patio? Patio. I'm gonna show y'all that in the daytime. TV as well, tiles, let's see. I guess you take them to the pool area. And, oh, I can't think of what you call it. But yeah, and then if you come this way, You have another room. Oh, this is nice. TV area. Sitting. Oh, business meeting area. Hey, how you doing? Let's see if we can turn this light right here. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? We signed $1 million contract right here. It's a nice picture right there. Might have to take that home. And then also, oh, okay. Okay, his and her sink. But it just her periods. And then y'all know what's gonna be going on with me. Yeah, I'll get into it. Oh, girl, this fit a whole body. Wait a minute. This fit a whole, girl, picture me. Wine in his hand, Hennessy in his hand. Pour up. Walk in, shower. Where you go scrub and I gotta do the hay good stuff. This way you let the lobes at it. I like how the toilet, not with the rest of the room, closed it though. A safe right here, and then closet space right there. That's pretty much it for the room tour. I mean, not the room tour, condo tour. Again, this is the 3-bedroom, 3-bath. So yeah, if you stay at the Grove Resort and you got a lot of people, get the 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and the sofa also let out into a bed. So yeah, do that. But we're finna get situated, finna change clothes, you know, shower, woo. See what this resort is giving y'all. It is Gemini season. My birthday in a couple of days, so this gonna start it off right here. I'm in Orlando. I did not tell y'all I was coming to Orlando. Shout out to all my Orlando subscribers. We in Orlando for the week. So yeah, y'all already know how we coming. Stay tuned.
I can feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas trying to talk in the strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign.
Good morning, y'all. It's Dominique, LaShae, and it is day 2 of Orlando, Florida. So we are currently at the Grove Resort, and right now I'm just walking around trying to see what everything they got. They have the beach at the resort with the palm trees. Look at the view. This is so nice. I want to give y'all a tour of the resort. Grove Resort and Water Park. But currently over here we walking towards this way to see what the water park. Caution, wildlife habitat. Do not go near the water or feed the wildlife. So they have gators and snakes, so no fishing. Anything dangerous, I'm looking for it. It wouldn't be me. Oh, they look like they dance here at night. Yeah. Okay then. I'm bringing to the hood, baby. I'm bringing back to the hood. I feel like in the nighttime. Bust it up the shorty when the light shine. Still fucking with your famous nigga. Okay, so as you drive up, you're gonna come from this street right there. As you come in, you have this sign. This is the entrance. We're going to see the wizards. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. Steps to the left and slide. We outside.
Well, let me go around to the flip-flop them things.
Hey y'all, it is day 2 of Orlando, Florida, and we just made it. Where we at? Disney Springs? We just made it to Disney Springs. Yo, we in the parking garage, which y'all already know how to do. I'm gonna show y'all when we do something. Tell your friends we outside. Period. Yeah, Orlando, what's up? Oh, I'm gonna feel backwards. Wait a minute. Okay, y'all, so we made it to Disney Springs, and this like if you're from Memphis, it kind of reminds me of Tanger Outlets, but bigger, like shopping in the outlet. The sun in my face is why I'm looking like that. Down there in the middle. Okay, y'all. Oh, this a cute background. Everybody on the restroom break, so I'm sitting here. I'm having the drinks while they use the restroom. We are currently at Disney Springs. Disney Springs, if you from Memphis, it reminds me of Tanger Outlets. Like 10 Tanger Outlets put in one, except of course that's not in Memphis, so that's in Mississippi. Except you have more of your brand stores. I need to do an OOTD before I get sweaty. Shirt is from, I think, Walmart. Pants is from Shein. Let me let it down. Pants is from Shein. Purse is Kate Spades. Periods. Nails by the British Supply. British Nail Shop. Rings, Walmart. Apple Watch. Bracelets. Her by D-Size. Shout out to her. Yeah, that's it. That's all. That's popping. Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Let it be.